Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Linda. Thank you all so much for coming. If you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how I make this delicious cocoyam porridge. So let me take you to the list of ingredients that we'll be using. So for this recipe, we're going to need some palm oil, bouillon powder, and some curry powder. Also going to be needing some smoked shrimp and meat stock. You can use any stock of your choice. I'm be using meat stock for this particular recipe. So we're going to be needing some thyme, tomatoes, and some peppers. We're also going to need some onion and bell peppers. You can use any color of the bell peppers of your choice, okay? Some salt, we're going to need some cocoyams. So I'll go ahead and take off the skin and I'll cut it to some little chunks, and I'll be right back. So now it's all nice and clean. I already cut the skin up and I'll chop the cocoyam. So right here I'm going to blend in my tomato, pepper, and some onion. So I'm going to just roughly blend this. So afterwards I'm going to be adding in some palm oil, just a little bit. So I'll go ahead and add in the fresh thyme. Then I'll add my already blended tomato and pepper mix. Then I'm going to stir this. So when I'm done stirring, I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on a low heat. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to take the lid off. Then I'm going to stir it again. This recipe is so easy to make. It's very simple. So in here I'll be adding in my curry powder and the smoked shrimp. You can use any dry fish of your choice, okay? I choose to use the smoked shrimp. Use any dry fish of your choice. So after this, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 more minutes, I took the lid off. Then I'm going to stir it to combine, everything together. So when that is done, I'll be adding in my meat stock. Like I said, you can use any stock of your choice, or if you don't have any meat stock or chicken stock, you can add some water. So when that is done, I'll be adding in the already cleaned cocoyam. So I want to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Those of you that are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Afterwards, you click on the bell icon beside it. That way you get notified whenever I post any new video. Thank you to my old, new, and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. So I'll just go ahead and combine this together, So I'll add in a little bit of bouillon powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? It's, it's totally up to you. So I won't be adding any water for this, so I'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook. So in here I already have my green bell peppers and red bell peppers alongside my onions, so I really chop them finely. So you can chop yours, you know, if you want it to be too big, you can cut it up as, you know, chunky as you want. So now the cocoyam is ready, guys, so I'm just going to add in my chopped vegetables. So I'm not going to allow this to cook for long, because you know vegetables they don't need to they don't have to be cooked too long. So I'm just going to add it, then I'm going to stir it. At this point I already turned my stove off, so I'm just going to stir this and combine everything together. The heat from the cocoyam is going to cook the vegetables, so I don't have to, you know, turn my stove on. So right now it's nice and ready. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you do, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.